How to update your Dynon SkyView HDX in the airplane. Download the current chart cycles on your flash drives, then make your way to the airplane. Step 1 is to plug your databases into the HDX. Next, power up the master battery and all avionics. You might see the database expired annunciation on your screens. This is normal. Hold the 7 and 8 soft keys simultaneously to enter the setup menu. First menu, second option, select Load Files. Look to see a recent update on the left, then press the Softkey 8 to load. Loading takes about 2 minutes in the US. Once done, verify with a quick check. Go back to main menu, scroll to option 3, Local Display Setup, then select Install Databases. Here, you can see your databases and their effective dates. Just make sure you don't see any information listed in yellow font, as information in yellow is not current. Repeat this process for any additional screens. Remember, the database cards will remain inserted for flight. Once finished, power down the system. Happy flying!